public service announcement. Good morning, everybody. Guess what time of year it is? That's right, it's better than Thanksgiving or 4th of July. That's right, it is almost Amelia Island Concours Week. Now, why do I call it Concours Week? Well, because in the past few Concours Weeks, we've spent some time frantically getting ready for the concours. And last year we fronted a 300 at an hour and a 300 SEL 6.3. And the year before that, a 280 SE 4.5. And as well as we attempted to front the 300 at an hour. Now, I'm going to invite you guys to something really special if you're watching, because we really love the whole communal aspect of Amelia Island here at Pierre Hedary's. It's like our own Pebble Beach, and it's a big deal. So here's our schedule, in case you'd like to know. On Thursday, I think that, let's see here, today is the 25th?
Right,
Tuesday the 25th, 26th. Okay, 26th. What's next Thursday, Thomas?
See, well, today, 26, the 1st of March, I think.
Next Thursday is not, could it be the 1st of
Tomorrow's
March?
the 26th.
Not this coming Thursday, the one after.
So I mean,
so it would be
days to 26 makes 33, so that would be the 2nd, since it's only 29 days in February.
Okay, so Thursday, March 2nd. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think Thomas is right about this. I'm really bad with the dates because everything just flows together for me with naps in between. If you guys want to meet at my shop at 1000 Pine Street, we're going to have our caravan up to Amelia Island that evening. And usually it's a small group, but if you're interested in going, please email me or Thomas, mbownersforlife@gmail.com. And if you guys are interested, just bring your Mercedes or your classic car or your car that you're driving up there if you have plans to stay Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night. And come party with us. The place you could find me will be at Cars and Coffee, which is free, on Saturday morning at the golf course at the Ritz-Carlton at the MBCA tent with the Mercedes display. So if you want to come say hi, I'll be happy to see you, shake your hand, meet you, because I love meeting our subscribers. I always say we're just friends that haven't met yet. And hear more about your car and your adventures with Mercedes. And if you really want to, we will be happy to interview you on this channel. So again, if you'd like to be interviewed, make sure you send me an email with your contact information so that you can be interviewed. And if you can't find my email, which again is mbownersforlife, FOR, at gmail.com or at bellsouth.net, you can email Thomas as well. And so either one of us will get that covered. And then that way we'll be able to interview you. Also, on Fridays, I kind of like to hang out at the Gooding auction. And it looks like the Gooding auction is going to be at the Omni Amelia Island Resort. While it's not exactly free to the public, you can sort of find me looming around the area where you don't have to pay to get in. Although I might also be inside as well. Anyway, this broadcast is really important, so I'm looking forward to meeting some of you. Finally, Sports Car Market magazine is going to be there, and Sports Car Market has given our channel a lot of backdoor support. So if you've ever wanted to become an SCMer, this will be your chance. You can sign up in person with the SCM staff at their table at either Gooding Auctions or at Amelia Island. So I hope that some of you choose to read the best car magazine on earth. Anyway, I hope to see some of you guys there. And if you can't make it, we'll be there. I guess you'll be there in spirit, right? Enjoy driving your Mercedes Benz.